How to return items on Shein. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now this process can be done in the app of Shein or also the website. I'm going to go for the web browser over here and launch a Shein.com. So make sure you're logged into your account, and as you're logged into your account, tap on the Me section at the bottom right corner. As you do that, you can see the option of My Order, so just tap on View All. So as you do that, you'll be able to see all of your orders, either they are unpaid, processing, shipped, review or returns. Now, whenever you want to return the items on Shein, simply tap on All Orders and then tap on the order that you want to return and then select the option of return. Right now, there is no orders as of now, but in case you have any items that you want to return, you can simply tap on the return section and you can just give the appropriate reason and valid reason of why you are returning the item. After that, you'll have to follow the procedure and then you'll be able to return items on Shein. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.